In a realm where darkness and demons threatened the fragile peace of humanity, there stood a warrior of unmatched prowess, Raijin Hashira, the Thunderous Storm. With each swing of his lightning-infused sword, demons trembled and skies roared in acknowledgement of his might. One mist-covered morning, a distress call echoed through the Demon Slayer Corps headquarters. A village nestled in the heart of the mountains was under siege by a sinister demon known as Yamakaze, the Mountain Wind. This demon wielded the power of whirlwinds, tearing apart homes and hope. Raijin, ever resolute, gathered a team of elite demon slayers, each bearing the weight of their own breath style. They journeyed to the village, where destruction had become the norm. As they arrived, Raijin surveyed the damage, his piercing blue eyes narrowing in determination. A plan took shape. Raijin ordered his team to safeguard the villagers, while he himself confronted Yamakaze. The demon emerged, its form shrouded in swirling winds and malevolence. Raijin unsheathed his Kaminari no Tsurugi, the blade crackling with contained lightning. The battle was fierce and relentless. Raijin's movements were a dance of calculated strikes and evasive maneuvers, a symphony conducted in the tempestuous air. Yamakaze's winds were a torrent, but Raijin's mastery over lightning allowed him to cut through the chaos. In a pivotal moment, Raijin clashed with Yamakaze, their powers colliding in a burst of energy that lit up the sky. Gathering his strength, Raijin unleashed his ultimate technique, Raijin's judgment. Lightning cascaded down his blade, striking Yamakaze with a blinding fury. The demon's form wavered, its howls of agony mingling with the gusting winds. With one final strike, Raijin severed the core of Yamakaze's power, silencing the malevolent force. As the demon disintegrated, calm settled over the village, and the winds gradually subsided. Raijin stood amidst the ruins, his chest heaving. Villagers emerged from hiding, their expressions a mix of relief and gratitude. With his mission accomplished, Raijin turned to his team, acknowledging their unwavering support and bravery. Days later, as Raijin and his team departed the village, the sun broke through the clouds, casting a golden glow on the landscape. Raijin's thunderous presence had brought not only destruction to demons, but also the promise of hope and restoration for those he protected. And so, the legend of Raijin Hashira, the Thunderous Storm, continued to grow, a beacon of strength against the encroaching darkness, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, humanity's spirit could shine as bright as lightning, driving away the shadows that sought to consume them.